Everyone, this is Sriram Balaji. In this video, I'll walk through how to implement a Magentic pattern using Copilot Studio. A brief look at my socials, LinkedIn, YouTube, website. If you like this video, please consider liking it and subscribing to my channel. What is Magentic Orchestration Pattern? The Magentic Orchestration Pattern is designed for open-ended problems that don't have a fixed plan or approach. So it's a flexible general-purpose multi-agent pattern designed for complex open-ended tasks. In this pattern, there is a dedicated Magentic manager which coordinates a team of specialized agents. It selects which agent should act next based on the evolving context and agent capabilities. Let's go through a demo of the Magentic orchestrator pattern. Here we have a Magentic orchestrator agent. So this agent coordinates a team of specialized agents. So we have a research agent, a coder agent, and a web server agent. So we are giving the instruction here, you're a Magentic orchestrator agent. You coordinate a team of specialized agents, a research agent, coder agent, and web server agent, selecting which agent should act next based on the evolving context, task progress, and agent capabilities. So I'll walk through each agent in a bit. Before you start execution, show a detailed step-by-step task list with the agent name and the task you're going to perform. Do not ask the user for any input. So what it does, it plans and provides a task list where it uses each of these agents and what it's going to do, and then starts performing each of the tasks. So let me go through the individual agents. One is the research agent. So this is a child agent. This is a helpful assistant with access to web search. Ask it to perform web searches, right? So that's what it does, and it has. If you go down, you can say enabled the agent to search all public websites. That's the first one. Next, let's go to web server. Web surfer. This agent is proficient in commanding and managing the state of Chromium web-based browser. So here, it internally uses the computer use tool. So instructions we're giving is use the computer use tool for navigating to websites, interacting with the web pages like clicking and typing. So this will internally use the computer use tool, like here. Okay. And the last but not the least is the coder agent. So this coder agent, it writes and executes code to process and analyze data. So the instructions we give is you solve questions and generate images using code with the code prompt tool. We'll walk through in a minute. You pass code input as code that needs to be executed, and that's what this does. So if you see, it is using a prompt tool named code prompt. So what we say here is this is a prompt. We say whatever is given as the input, a code input, execute the code input and return the outputs. How this agent works using a demo. So what I'm done is I've already given a prompt, navigate to finance.yahoo.com and get the latest code for Apple, right, from the code page. So what it does, as you can see, it is invoking a web server tool. So you can see the step-by-step task plan. It says the task is navigate to finance.yahoo.com and locate the latest code for Apple. And which agent is going to use its web server. And then the reason why it's using that, because we need to interact with a live website. So what you can see now, it is using this agent, the web server agent. We internal calls the computer use tool here, right? And then goes to the Yahoo Finance website, searches for Apple on Yahoo, and then gets all the details from there. So I just skip that and go towards the end, and then you can get the latest Apple code details here. So another example. Here I'm asking the agent, can you research top two papers on agentic AI and give me a summary of each paper? So you can see the plan steps and tool assignments, a research agent, a web server it is using to open the first selected top paper to extract the details. And again, it's using the web server to open the second selected top paper. So because I've asked for two papers, what it does is search for the papers and then opens each paper and then gets the details. So I just you can see here the first step. What it's done, it has gone ahead and uh, given five papers and then the summary and as well as the URL for it. So then it does it actually using the web surfer to open each active page for each paper and then gets the details of it. Wait, let me scroll this. It's using the computer use tool, which is exposed using the web surfer agent. So it's going through each paper in the PDF format, and then it is processing it. And finally, if you see, I just scroll back. As you can see here, this is the two deliverables. Paper one, it is given the title, the authors, it extracted the year and venue, the abstract, and the taxonomy architecture is covered, blah blah blah, and then it goes to this paper two, the same format, title, authors, and the abstract and the other details.